Brutus is a fearful feline stuck in this tree, stuck for the last 8 days. He has fur flying among neighbors in Phoenix. The owner of this tree is not allowing anyone on his property to rescue Brutus. Someone from the Humane Society tried, but the ladder was too short.
The cat's scared to death because it's an indoor cat.
Rescuers got close, but then the home's owner, a Phoenix police officer, got angry.
This guy comes barreling out of his house and flashed his gun and his badge and starts screaming and freaking out.
The department says the officer has a right to defend his property. So Brutus waits.
It seems like I just have to sit here and watch my cat starve to death or freeze to death.
A cat caught in a cat fight of sorts between neighbors. Lee Powell, The Associated Press.